Mbaka meperono na nonsense. So this is what you tell them in your business center you call adoration. Hey, the president, I know you think you are pandering to the president. Is the president a kid? You think the president is a kid? You people are the ones sponsoring these guys. Some of you with money, some of you with your voice. He will pay for his sins, he will pay for his atrocities. There must be punishment, we must exact revenge. Anybody that contributed to what is happening in Igbo must pay now or later. And people like you people will still pay. How many policemen? How many civil defense personnel? DSS, Army, Navy, Air Force. So many Igbo who are in the military cannot go to their communities because of what happened to people like this. Mbaka, do you know who is Phoebe Johnson? Do you know what happened to that girl? Do you know this? How many of these families have you visited? Kweforoge, Tondagabobuge. Nami they tell you, Akufurunu. Kunu has support to your journey now. When Kenya another here free.
The president of the country, senior, what was the Naka at the tide? Just like as we are praying that Nnamdi Kanu should be released, it is in the hand of the president to say or write and sign anything, bring him out. They won't tell us that what the governors, what the people are reporting. We don't understand what they are saying. It is in the hand of the leader to save the southern Nigeria, southeast here, from what we are passing through. Let Nnamdi Kanu be brought out and be given an assignment. Mazi Kanu, the youth of Igbo respect you. There is no other person they respect the way they respect you. Both Christians and non-Christians, go and use them to stop this insecurity in the southeast. Nnamdi, can you do it? If he can solve it, what are they holding him there? If the solution is there, why killing these boys? So in this my anniversary week, before the Lord, I plead again to Mr. President, our President Tinubu, please, it is in your power. Let it be one of your achievements. The president that made sure he was arrested is no more alive. President Tinubu, prove them wrong that you are still alive. Set Nnamdi Kanu free. They are using him for political brigandry. All this political brouhaha you are hearing from them are not true. Bring him out. You will not understand what I'm saying until you...
Shooting in Okota, they are shooting also in Okota. People must go to the bush, ambush them. Go to the bush, you need to cut them off from the back, ambush them, take their guns from them and kill them. These are animals, they're not human beings. They may be wearing police or army, they are not human beings. These are terrorists from Niger, these are terrorists from Gambia, these are foreign terrorists from Chad. They are not human beings. Disarm them and kill them. If you allow them to scare you off the streets, your life is over. Your life is over. And I want Lagos airport to be on flames. Breach the perimeter fence. Go and burn down Lagos. Anybody, if you have double barrel, if you have people, anything you have, give it to them, let them go and them penetrate the airport and set Motam Mohammed Airport. Set it ablaze right now. Then the world will listen. You are dealing with animals. Fulani Janjaweed, they are animals. They do not reason. They do not reason. You don't know them. You don't know them. I mean, are they not killing people? The caller on the line, can you hear me? Yes, please.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Good evening to you. Yes, go ahead.
Well, my name is Ijele, calling from Lagos.
What is happening where you are?
We was at Oshoda Papa Expressway. There was us there. It's 5 people that they killed this evening.
How many policemen died? I don't want to hear they kill us, they kill us. How many did you kill? How many police or army did you kill? How many?
They have the Lassa police station. They have burned it down. Then Select police station. Then the Urile police station down. Everything is down now as I'm speaking.
Thank you very much. There is, since if you go to my page, you will see a flag there. Nigerian flag stained with blood. So the flag that people should be carrying.
Mbaka, Mbaka, adoration. Mbaka, is this what you teach them at your adoration? Eh? Adoration. Oh, so leaving Nnamdi Kanu for you. Mbaka, all these things that have been going on in our league, people like you kept quiet, you shut up. Initially, you were condemning this thing somehow. Oh. I don't know, for whatever reason, you have joined the bad wagon. Maybe you started losing customers. It's a shame that somebody like you that people respect in Ali will open your mouth. What about all these communities that have been rendered desolate? Mbaka, did you go to Osu for one day? You are a Catholic priest. Go to St. Mary's Catholic Church, Osumohu. Go to St. Mary's Catholic Church, Osumohu. I went there myself. Do you know how many skulls I saw there? Do you know how many bones, how many human remains? Many of them bones that I saw there. St. Mary's Catholic Church, Osumohu. You are here saying that he told the president that Nnamdi Kanu that set the fire will now be the one to extinguish it. All the Kishia de Gemma. You saw the orders that were given. This couple, how far, how market. Do you know they have family? Do you know that they have families? What will you tell their families? You Mbaka, Nguwa Mbaka, meperono na nonsense. So this is what you tell them in your business center you call adoration. The president, I know you think you are pandering to the president. Is the president a kid? You think the president is a kid? You people are the ones sponsoring these guys. Some of you with money, some of you with your voice. He will pay for his sins, he will pay for his atrocities. There must be punishment, we must exact revenge. Anybody that contributed to what is happening in Igbo must pay now or later. And people like you people will still pay. How many policemen? How many civil defense personnel? DSS, Army, Navy, Air Force. So many Igbo who are in the military cannot go to their communities because of what happened to people like this. Mbaka, do you know who is Ruby Johnson? Do you know what happened to that girl? Do you know this? How many of these families have you visited? Kwe for again, Thunder Gabobuge. Na me they tell you, Akufurunu. Kunu has support to your journey now. When Kega Nana here free, Jenuma care somewhere. Umuozu.